Hey, beautiful people. This week we're talking about effectively conditioning our curls and coils. After thoroughly rinsing out shampoo, apply a generous amount of conditioner to the bulk of the hair while it is still soaking wet. This allows the product to emulsify, to soften, and easily spread through your curls. Now section off a workable section and apply more conditioner if necessary. Massage this through your curls for even penetration of the hair cuticles. By massaging and finger detangling, you are able to gently undo the biggest knots and tangles in your curls without pulling or tugging on them, so you're being gentle to your scalp while eliminating breakage. After finger detangling, you need a detangling brush to get rid of the single strand and fairy knots, as well as to smoothen your hair's cuticles. You know you are done detangling a section of curls when they feel smooth and clumped together. Happy conditioning, beautiful people, and until the next blog, stay safe. Bye-bye.